Yeah, today and tomorrow not the nicest, but then it's gonna get pretty mild the rest of the week.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a big opportunity to. There's not one but 2 days at +5, then +8.
Oh yeah.
And then Wednesday, I can't remember what it is, but it's probably.
And Friday's gonna be good too, because it's gonna rain like a lot, like 15 minutes away.
And that's after work though, so we
yeah, like
so we still got the day. So I got AJ's gonna come in this week too to help give a boost. But I mean, like just how fast things go when it gets warmed up. Like it'll take no time at all to tear through whatever is left on the main. I'm not sure I want to dance up there today.
no.
Less snow we have to get rid of, the better. Come over here, help with the carriage house, pop it off, and then what's the idea? You want to tear down all the planks on this side and then end up planking the other side?
Ooh, there's a lot of shingle from the dirt. So I was thinking, like today's plan was I was gonna like square that thing up there because of the window. Like I'm just missing the step.
Yeah, it's too bad. Oh, these planks are good to come down. That's the thing, eh? I mean, maybe, I don't know. Not sure if it's worth tackling that or not. Because there's planks are just sitting there. It'd be nice to be spoiled with planks. You know what I mean? So, yeah. So I'm thinking if we had if we had all these planks, we could stick planks on the opposite side, planking, or we could just not even bother right now. Just
Maybe after.
I'm just gonna blast my way to the top, do some ghost stepping if I have to, and then we can tear all those planks down if we wanted. If we're gonna plank the whole other side, then
the whole other side is planked.
So
it's just like the top. We could use like.
I know she left a plank up on the other side, which I thought was a bad idea to cap it before he needed to.
Oh, it's. Then we can navigate why everybody I didn't know the size. They didn't have the information yet.
Those are the consequences of our own actions. What am I gonna do? I can't even convince her to come in. She on her way? Yeah. Ship has sailed. The ship has sailed. Her and Chris bragging about, oh, but we're seeing the world, we're living our lives.